In this video, I will show you how to unzip files on Windows 11 step by step. This is a quick and easy way to extract files from a zip folder on your laptop or PC, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started, what you're going to want to do is open the zipped file or folder that you want to unzip on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. In this example, you can see I've got this example folder called test zip folder. If I double click, you can see there's a few different documents in here. So a Microsoft Word document and a PNG file. To go ahead and extract these and unzip the folder, all you need to do is click to select the folder, right click, and then on this menu that comes up, you want to click on the option which says extract all. What that's going to do is open a window like this, where it's going to ask you to select a destination to extract your files. You can also tick the box if you want to show the extracted files when complete. Once you've done that, click the extract button at the bottom, and what that's going to do is extract the files and automatically open them up if you've chosen to do so. So you can see I opted to have the files extracted to the same folder, so you can see the original zipped folder here and the unzipped folder, which when we double click, we're going to be able to access the unzipped files. So that is how to unzip files on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.